That's Jesus walking on water. So I haven't vlogged much today because we are not really doing much today. Basically we're at a lake in Bracciano. There's Rob in the lake. It's a bit weird out here. Not really like the best location we've chosen, but you know, it's quite alright. The lakeside is quite chilled out. There's a lot of people, but it's a bit weird people, I guess. It's kind of already almost evening, so you know, as I said, we haven't done much today. Also wasn't feeling the best today. I was kind of a little bit stressed out because we were looking for places to stay in Rome and it didn't really work out very well. Because we had to look for something with parking, and I wanted something quite comfortable because I have been kind of, you know, wanting to have a bath instead of like shower, and I just wanted a hotel and wasn't much to find. But you know, we have found something. We're going to stay 2 nights in Rome, so tomorrow we're probably going to head out to Tivoli and then go to Rome in the evening. So probably gonna be fun. So we're now at the lakeside, as you can see. There's ducks in there as well. There's a wild robin there as well. Lots of children. I've never been to a lake actually. Only been to the beach. It's really weird because water has very different stream. But I think it's really pretty out here. It's very different to what we've done so far. Also, you know, as I said, the town is a bit strange, but it's fine.
The thing you don't see in the pictures is that between the pictures she's always trying to scare away imaginary octopuses and fish. There she is.
Got some friends. They keep stalking us.
What are you having?
I'm having a salad, a very pretty salad with some kind of radish.
Edible bowl?
It's with green salad, cucumber, feta, and yogurt sauce. It's a Greek salad.
Looks delicious.
How about you?
I'm having a pizza, finally, with red
pizza.
Tomato sauce and zucchini it is. No, it's not zucchini.
No,
Eggplant and Parmigiano.
It's your first pizza.
First pizza ever in Italy.
I haven't had a pizza yet. My first salad though. Cookies. Sitting on a bench. Nice view over the lake. Over the lake. Too bad there's a lot of trash on the floor. Let's just pretend it's not there.
White trash.
It's quite a trashy town.
Region, to be honest.
Region, yeah.
Yeah.
Call it Blankenberg.
Come to Blankenberg.
Come to Blankenberg.
And you'll know.
We have trash.
We have trash. There's real trash.
Real trash.
And white
there.
trash.
Yeah. We did have nice dinner though.
Yeah.
I really like
Very
my salad.
cheap.
Yeah,
There's
very
a
cheap.
plane over our head.
Wow, it's so close.
Okay.
Well, yeah. Gonna go back to the hotel and chill.
Chill. Do some movie editing.
Yeah, edit some vlog shit. And this vlog is probably too short for one, so I'm going to add slowly to it. So, see you tomorrow. Say goodbye.
Peace out.
Peace out. Good morning from Bracciano. Or something. We're on the road to Rome. Gonna head out to Tivoli today and then sleep in Rome tonight. How are you feeling?
Hot and
really hot out.
Full because I ate a lot of
Bread.
yeah, bread,
Croissant.
croissant and
sometimes in Italy they don't really have our kind of breakfast. Yeah,
our kind of breakfast.
Very sweet, very you know,
savory and
sweet croissants. Yeah. Yeah, so forget everything I said this morning. We tried to go to Tivoli, which sucked. It was quite the hell to drive up there because the GPS sent us somewhere
through some sort of country road.
Yeah, and the car was very sad.
Yeah.
And then we couldn't like go through the streets, and we couldn't park anywhere, so we just said fuck you Tivoli. And we were kind of stressed out, like especially you because you were driving.
Yeah.
And then we suddenly saw like the yellow M of McDonald's, so we just had fries because we were hungry and very stressed out. And then we drove to Rome, which was hellish as well.
Yeah.
With all like the toll shit, and we didn't have an entrance. We didn't have an entrance toll card.
Have you ever driven backwards on the motorway?
Yeah,
we have.
So we had to drive backwards and go in another lane. So that sucked as well. And then we had to go in the center of Rome, which sucked as well because it's very chaotic in here. Yeah. There's like no lanes.
No, well there are lanes, but no one cares.
One respects them. And but now we couldn't be. And then we had to park the car. So I called the lady from the hotel and asked her where we had to park. So she gave us an address of a parking lot. And apparently, if you park your car in Rome in an underground parking lot, you have to leave your keys in the car in case they have to move the car for like fire and stuff.
For fire safety.
But since we had like some kind of weird guy over in Piacenza who said he would watch our car and then wanted to steal our money, which he didn't. We didn't really trust the guys who said they would like leave your keys in the car. It was so strange, so we like freaked out and I got a little angry. So then I called the lady from the hotel again. She said it was fine. So apparently if you ever go to Rome by car, which you don't have to do because it sucks, then you have to leave your car keys in the car.
Yeah, if you go in an
underground
parking.
Yeah, in a covered parking. But apparently that's safer than if you don't do it. So, and now we couldn't be happier because we're in the prettiest hotel ever.
It's a penthouse.
It's a penthouse. It's like with the old lift and like with the doors, like, you know,
the mechanical doors.
The really cool thing. And yeah, it's like a real penthouse out here. And we have like, what did she say? The only room with the original
floor.
I didn't know what she said. Oh, the original floor. Oh, it's so cute. And it's very like good temperature in here. And it smells really good. And we have a fucking cool bathroom as well.
Can you see? Should I turn on the lights?
Yeah. It's a really big shower. Oh, it's blue. Oh no, the lights are blue.
It changes color.
Wow.
It's one of those
fancy. And they have these really big
and a good hairdryer.
A good one. Very good one. And we're really close to Vatican City, and actually we're close to everything, right?
You can see it.
You can see
St. Peter's Basilica from here. Up
yeah,
there.
can't really see it on the screen.
Can you?
It's there. Yeah. I'm so happy right now. So tired. So sweaty. Oh, good light. Time to shower.
Yeah.
Have dinner. No, it's not dinner time yet.
No.
What time is it?
I don't know. I don't care.
We made it.
Yeah, we did.
And we're here for 2 nights. So we have...
This is pretty nice.
Yeah, it's... we have a night here in Rome, and then a day, and then a night.
Well, we got a full day now, so that you don't have to worry about your pretty dress to get filthy from sitting in the car.
It's not just for the dress.
Yes, it
no,
is.
it's not.
A bit.
No, it's not.
A bit.
Fuck you. Can I say fuck you on YouTube? Do I have to beep it out?
Just say like, bollocks or something.
So I just took the best shower ever. Did my makeup. Now we're ready to go for a little stroll around the area. I'm wearing my Aces dress that's probably no longer available, but I like it. My maple espadrilles, mango bag, and a wild robe. I fit the scenery. Zo mini-trapjes. So this is the elevator. One of those really old ones. Which all the doors you have to open. There's no elevator boy. Are you doing? Click. Thank you, sir. Awesome.
So what do we have? We have Holy Girlfriend, Holy Ground, Cobblestone, Holy People, Holy Statues, Holy Obelisk,
we have found a nice place to eat here in Rome, close to where we just went, and we're having
gnocchi,
stuffed gnocchi, tomatoes, mozzarella. Hi there. We're having a little walk around San Angelo.
see,
And we're along the water of the
Tiber.
and we just had dinner. And what are we going to do next? Just walk
Just
around?
gonna walk around a bit,
Yeah.
go for a stroll.
Yeah, because tomorrow is like the real Rome day,
Yeah.
like the Colosseum day.